In the last decade, business models have transformed rapidly. The rise of the internet, smartphones, and digital platforms has opened new doors for aspiring entrepreneurs. E-commerce sales alone made up 21% of global retail sales by 2021 and are projected to surpass 8.1 trillion by 2026. Yet despite this explosive growth, offline businesses still maintain a powerful presence. Surprisingly, around 72% of consumers still prefer the physical shopping experience, especially when it comes to clothing, groceries, and services that require personal interaction. So, the big question remains: in this modern era, which business model actually suits entrepreneurs best? Online or offline? Let's first clarify the two models. An online business operates digitally. This includes everything from e-commerce stores, dropshipping setups, digital product sellers, freelancers, and content creators. Their advantage is clear: no geographical limits, 24/7 availability, and much lower overhead costs. On the other hand, offline businesses involve brick-and-mortar setups. Think retail shops, salons, cafes, gyms, or any place where customers physically visit. These businesses depend on real-world footfall, face-to-face service, and local branding. Now let's look at the fundamental differences between the two. The first is customer reach. Online businesses have a massive advantage here. With a simple Instagram reel or a viral TikTok, a small brand can attract customers from across the globe. Offline businesses are geographically bound. Their reach depends heavily on location, neighborhood demand, and foot traffic. In terms of startup costs, online ventures win again. Launching a dropshipping store or selling digital art requires almost no inventory, no rent, and often no team in the beginning. But offline businesses come with fixed costs: rent, utilities, staff salaries, and physical stock. When it comes to marketing, online entrepreneurs rely on digital tools like SEO, email campaigns, social media, and influencer marketing. Offline businesses, meanwhile, stick to traditional methods: flyers, radio ads, posters, and local networking. Customer interaction is another big area of difference. Online businesses interact through emails, AI chatbots, or DMS. Offline businesses have the edge here with face-to-face communication, which builds trust and loyalty much faster. As for scalability, it's much easier to scale an online business. You can expand your product catalog, target more regions, or partner with new suppliers in a matter of days. But scaling an offline business involves more locations, more staff, and larger investments. Of course, each model comes with its own pros and cons. Online businesses offer global reach and function around the clock. They benefit from lower overhead and data-driven insights that allow for targeted marketing. However, they do face challenges. Trust can be an issue. Customers may hesitate to buy from a new website. Cybersecurity is another threat, as are logistical issues, especially with delivery delays or inventory mishaps. Moreover, online competition is fierce, and standing out in a crowded digital space requires constant innovation. Offline businesses, in contrast, offer personal interaction and product tangibility. A customer can try on a dress, test a gadget, or taste a dish before buying. This builds trust and customer satisfaction. Many consumers are loyal to local shops because of the community feel and personalized service. But offline businesses also face serious drawbacks. Operational costs are high, business hours are limited, and the customer base is restricted to those nearby. Let's take a look at some real-world examples. Amazon is the perfect case study for online business success. It controls roughly 24% of all US e-commerce sales and operates globally, offering everything from books to electronics to groceries. There are also countless stories of small entrepreneurs who have built six-figure businesses using dropshipping models and TikTok marketing, all without touching a product themselves. But don't count offline businesses out. Walmart, which heavily relies on physical stores, still generates over $400 billion annually from its 4,000+ US locations. Then there are local success stories. Small boutiques and cafes that thrive through personalized service and community engagement, even in the face of rising digital alternatives. Interestingly, The future might not lie in either extreme, but in a hybrid approach. More and more brands are now adopting what's known as the click-and-mortar strategy. This combines online convenience with offline experience. Nike, for instance, lets customers design shoes online, but encourages them to pick them up in store where they can try them on and consult with staff. Similarly, Target uses online shopping with same-day in-store pickup. This blend helps brands cater to every type of consumer while also increasing trust in sales. Technology also plays a big role in bridging the gap between online and offline. Augmented reality (AR) is being used by brands like Sephora to let customers try on makeup virtually before they buy. IKEA's app allows users to place furniture in their room through AR to see how it fits. These innovations improve customer experience and reduce return rates, helping digital brands compete with physical stores. Naturally, both models face challenges. Online businesses often struggle with trust. Customers hesitate to share credit card information or buy from brands they don't recognize. To address this, it's crucial to use secure payment gateways, showcase customer reviews, and have responsive customer service like live chat support. Logistics is another big concern. Delayed deliveries or broken items can damage a brand's reputation. Smart entrepreneurs overcome this by partnering with reliable fulfillment services like ShipStation or third-party logistics, 3PL providers. Offline businesses, meanwhile, are fighting against declining foot traffic. With so many people preferring the convenience of home shopping, physical stores have to offer more than just products. Hosting events, offering loyalty programs, or running seasonal promotions can bring people back in. High rent is another issue, especially in urban areas. A smart solution here is to explore pop-up stores, weekend markets, or shared retail spaces that lower the burden while maintaining visibility. Let's also dive into some market trends and statistics that provide better context. While online shopping continues to grow, offline retail still holds a strong grip. As of 2025, offline shopping makes up around 83% of total global retail sales. Even though e-commerce is rising fast, it still occupies a smaller share. Consumers continue to prefer buying groceries, apparel, and services like beauty and wellness in person. In fact, about 59% of shoppers say they still value in-store experiences, especially when trying out clothes or sampling products. So, which business model is better? The answer isn't one size fits all. If you're selling digital products, working with a limited budget, or targeting a global niche, online is your best bet. It's also ideal for those who want location independence or to operate solo. On the other hand, if your business involves hands-on services like salons, restaurants, or luxury retail, then offline is essential. Physical presence allows customers to see, touch, and experience your product, which is irreplaceable in some industries. But the most powerful setup today is the hybrid approach. It combines the best of both worlds, the scale of digital and the trust of in-person engagement. Many fashion brands, electronics companies, and beauty businesses are already mastering this approach and dominating their industries. To wrap it all up, starting a business in 2025 comes with more options than ever before. Whether online or offline, success depends on aligning your business model with your product type, audience preferences, and available resources. There's no universal winner, only the model that works best for you. But one thing is clear, the future belongs to those who can blend online convenience with offline authenticity. If you can strike that balance, your business is positioned not just to survive, but to thrive in the years ahead. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And let us know in the comments. Would you start an online business, an offline business, or go hybrid? See you in the next video.